someone, mother, for this young baby. Go and help mother. Who is that? Run in there. Run in there.
Mama Queen.
Yeah, I'm asking her that, who is that? And she said that is Mama Queen. How old are you? I also asked her, how old are you? She just said 2 years old. Huh? And she's saying, I'm coming. And she says she's going to bring water. She's going to bring water. I don't know if she can I don't know if she can even carry that jerrycan, but she feel that she want to help mother. That's the baby of 2 years, and that she's with her mother, and they are living just here behind. Neighborhood around here. You keep going inside, in the middle of somewhere inside here. So just short conversation with them, and the flower all the way, flower everywhere for every home. And the weather of today, just like this, rich neighborhoods, and this is just mango trees. This is the middle way. This is just a way. The mango are a lot here, but most of the time they used to tell us that if you just take anything like you want to take a mango from someone tree here, they used to tell us that when we were young, that if you take any mango without the owner of tree permission, you have to stack until he came and he helped you to just to go to, just is coming to give you permission to go. Once you want to take any mango from tree, you will stack. It will be like this. But that was a story just for protecting them, for protecting babies, kids from climbing this tree, going up, because they can fail. Because even if what they are following inside is just a flute, you can't stop a kid unless you tell him that story, that if you take, you will stack. But it is not true. If I want a mango here, we take, but they are still young. They are still young mango. You can't use it because you even feel the teeth. If you use this mango when it's still young, you have to wait and then till get bigger, like that. Those one on top, those one, they are big, but you need someone to enter inside this tree and bring it for you. It is harvesting month. It has been raining since morning. Then the rain is over, but the soil here, it is strong. It will dry all that water direct. When you came outside after raining, you will not see any sign of, like, you will not find way water ponds or what, until they will fix this way, just to clear all that. Because this soil, if it is raining and the rain is just end and the rain is over, the sand, it is this soil, it is going to dry all that water. And this is the view of today. As you can see, I don't know what type of this tree. I don't don't know what type of this tree, but it just look like this. Live from Rwanda, precisely in NYAMATA to the world, country of 1,000 hills, all the way greens in the village of NYAMATA.